Hey everybody, how's it going? I thought I'd film this awesome summer hairstyle for you guys today. It's this beautiful half up, half down Dutch fishtail. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm beginning with my hair slightly curled, and I'm just going to part it where I normally do. So you want to grab your first section right where your part is, and I'm leaving down the front pieces. So you can see this runs from the front of my head to the crown, and it's quite thin in size. This is what you want to start the fishtail. So divide this section into two equal pieces, and then what you want to do is grab a piece from the outside of the back section. You're going to cross it underneath and join it into the front section, and then you just want to grab a piece from the outside of the front section, and then you're going to cross it underneath and join it into that back section. So once you have a cross like this, we can go ahead and start joining hair into the braid to form the Dutch fishtail. So same thing as we did before, grab a small section from our back piece here and grab a piece right underneath it, and then you want to just cross it underneath and join it into the front section. You want to make sure that you have two separate pieces at all times. Mine was a little knotted, so make sure your hair is brushed. So again, I'm going to grab a small piece from the front section, join it into some hair underneath it, cross under that section, and join it into the back. You want to grab relatively large sizes. It just makes it easier to pull apart later. So you can see our fishtail starting to form, and I'm just going to keep doing this all the way down until I get to about the top of my ear. So once you're done, it should look a little something like this. I have two equal sections, and as you can see, I stopped right before the top of my ear so that there's still some hair hanging down just so it covers your ear. I think it looks really nice. And I'm just going to continue fishtailing all the way down. I'm not picking up any more hair. This is just going to be your standard fishtail, and you just want to do it till you reach the end of your hair, and we're not going to secure it off quite yet. So this is what you should be left with, and then with your pointer finger and your thumb, you just want to pull it apart. By all means, leave it this way if you want, but I like to make it really chunky and pancake the braid. It just really makes the look. So I start at the bottom and I work my way up, and then I like to switch to the other side and do the exact same thing. So it takes me about 3 to 5 minutes to do the actual pancaking of the braid until I'm happy with the desired thickness of it. And then once you're happy with the braid, just tie it off with a hair elastic. So I'm going to be doing the exact same thing on the other side, leaving out the front pieces, starting off with the initial cross, and then joining in hair as we go. Do the same thing, braid it until you get to the top of your ear, and then just fishtail it all the way to the end, just like we did before. Once you're finished braiding, don't forget to pancake the braid, make it nice and big, and then it should look about the same width as the other side. Don't forget to tie it off with a hair elastic, and then I'm just going to turn around and we're going to do the back of the hair. So grab your first section and pull it across the back of your hair, making sure it lays nice and flat. I liked mine to be a little bit lower. I thought it looked really nice. And I'm just going to pin it into place with as many bobby pins as I need to make it feel secure. Same thing with the other side, pull it across, try to hide the bobby pins that you just put in, and then tuck the tail end end over top and under the braid. Put it into place and you'll be left with two little pieces sticking out. I just tucked them up and made a little hole, and then I pinned them into place and you couldn't even see them. So there it is, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to share it with me on my social networks. So thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!